Hi, guys. Women don't like men who embody the traits that they should have. In psychology, it's called projection. So, projection is basically like a defense mechanism where people place their own unwanted thoughts, feelings, and traits onto someone else, usually without even realizing it. So, what some women do is they are projecting their own desire for certain traits in themselves as a dislike for the men who possess them because they feel uncomfortable acknowledging their own desire for those traits. By displaying a hate for those traits they subconsciously desire, they can successfully distance themselves from those desires and avoid confronting them directly. I'm gonna make this a little bit more simple with an example. So, for example, let's say that a woman really wish she was more outgoing and confident, but she struggles with shyness and insecurity. She might not want to acknowledge those realities about herself because they don't feel good. So she might start noticing that she gets irritated by somebody else's outgoing and confident personality. She might start to criticize that person for being too loud or overbearing. When in reality, she's really just reacting to her own subconscious desires to want to be more like that person. This is a big reason why women don't like men with certain traits, whether it be gentleness, being nice, humbleness, etc. Think about it. The woman who says that she doesn't like nice guys is usually not nice herself. The woman who says that she can't stand men that she feels like are weak is usually not soft and feminine herself. She's projecting her desire for these traits as a hate for these traits. Women subconsciously use projection as a way for them to protect their own self esteem and maintain a sense of control over their emotions, and also to avoid facing the realities of themselves. Essentially, what it is they're running away from themselves. Don't chase after them. So, until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.